How to import a document or photo using HP Smart, Windows 10. Begin by opening the HP Smart app. If you do not have an HP Smart account, go to 123.hp.com and follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the app. From the HP Smart home screen, select the Scan tile. If you are selecting Scan for the first time, a Get Started window will display. Select Get Started to proceed to the Scan window. Next, select Import and locate the document or photo on your computer. To edit the document or photo, use the Adjust Boundaries window. Select and hold one of the blue dots to manually adjust the border. And then select Apply. A preview window displays. You can add another page to your import, reorder multi-page import, change the file name or type, or edit the import. When you are finished with edits or additions, select Done. On the bottom right of the window, there are an array of options including Print, Save, Share, Smart Tasks, and Fax. Select Save to save the scan to a folder on your computer. Select Share to send the import via email, social media, or upload it to a cloud storage account. After you save or share the import, select OK.